delightful day to you, my dear learners. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you will join me in my reading tutorials. I know you are all ready. So, let's start.
In family. Book in. Now, let's read. Bin. Again, bin. Nice one, kids. In. Now, let's read. Fin. Again, fin. Well done. In. Now, let's read. Kin. Again, kin. Very good, kids. In. Now, let us read this word. Pin. Again, pin. Very good, kids. In. Now, let's read. Sin. Again, sin. You're doing great. In. Now, let's read. Tin. Again, tin. Well done. In. Now, let's read. Win. Again, win. Very good, kids. Eat family. Book it. Beat. Again, beat. Well done. It. Now, let's read. Fit. Again, fit. Very good, kids. It. Now, let's read. Hit. Again, hit. Great job. It. Now, let's read. Hit. Again, hit. Congratulations. It. Now, let's read. Lit. Again, lit. You're doing great. It. Now, let's read. Pit. Again, pit. Very good, kids. It. Now, let's read. Sit. Again, sit. Well done. Now, let us read this word. Bin. Fin. Kin. Pin. Sin. Tin. Win. Bit. Fit. Hit. Hit. Lit. Pit. Sit. Sentences. A pin in the pit. Hit to win the kit. Sit in the tin bin. Congratulations! You made it, kids!
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye learners, see you soon.